What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're welcoming JD Carlson and his 618 wheel horsepower Cadillac CTS-V. It's a 2013 car, and man, I can't wait to show you guys this today. This is going to be a lot of fun. So we actually came out to practice some cinematic film and some rolling shots, get some pictures, some photos, and Braden Cram has also joined us as well, and I'll put a link down to these guys' channels down below. But welcome them to the channel, guys, and here we go. Let's get started. Guys, this color in the sunlight is incredible. Just wait for this. Oh What's up, JD?
What's up? This is my 2013 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe. It's not too bad for being a coupe. Not too much done to it. Got an upgraded heat exchanger. It's got a 2.55 upper pulley, which with that setup is about 9 pounds of boost, which I'd like it to be around 13 pounds, but right now it's set at 9. Made 615 wheel when I got it tuned last week at Power Labs in Shelley, Idaho. It's got DW90 injectors. It's got Texas Speed Stage 2 cam, push rods, dual valve springs, American Racing headers, no cats, dual 3-inch X pipe all the way back, and that enters it into the giant trash Cadillac muffler with cutouts. I was not a fan of coupe at all. I would still rather have the diamond tricoat black that Cadillac has over this red, and I'd rather have a sedan, not a coupe. Never been a fan of coupes, but this one actually, it's looking pretty good so far. It still needs a crap ton of work done to it, but so far it's not bad. Without this giant spoiler on the back, it's a lot uglier for sure.
I think the spoiler makes it look nice, futuristic.
Yeah, spoiler is definitely a lot better. It needs a rear diffuser, and like I said, that stock muffler in the back, you can see it underneath, it's rusty. It doesn't look good. I don't like this triangle tip in the back, so I'll probably get rid of all that.
What do you got as far as inside?
Inside's pretty much stock. It's non-Recaro, sadly. I told myself I'd never do that, but here I am. The Cadillacs, so I had a Chevy SS and I thought they're on the same level. The Cadillac definitely cheaped out in their interior quite a bit, but it's still not horrible, but definitely needs Android stereo, definitely needs steering wheel, definitely needs Recaros.
What do you got for wheel and tire setups?
So these are Race Stars, Z28 style type, 18s in the front, 17s in the back. The 305 45 street radial in the back, which I would like it to not be like that, but I don't know. I'd like 18s in the back, 19s in the front, preferably.
18s and 19s.
Hey, so the front has 17 right now, so it nosedives. So the front's really low. I want a splitter in the front, I want a frame mount splitter, all that, but I can't right now because it's so low because it nosedives itself with 18s. I think 20s would be too big. I put on my buddy's 19 Z28 wheels, and 19 looks pretty dang perfect, but I still need a fat tire on the back so I don't spin for days. But I think 17 is too small. That tire is a little extreme, and they're like $300 a piece. So
that fitment is perfect.
Yeah, fitment's pretty dang good. I don't know, I honestly would like the 19 style a little better. Like when I drove it down to Shelly to get it tuned, I put on my buddy's Z28 wheels off his Camaro on the back, which are 19s, and it looks so much better than having like drag setup. But it also just spins first and second with that. So with this, it just hooks and goes every single time. Nice splitter in the front for sure. It needs the Z01 lid. It needs some more cooling because heat soak life when it sits there. But,
Take us for a ride.
Let's do it.
All right. So just real quick before we go for a ride, JD, where can anybody on the channel find you at if they want to see more?
Instagram, Facebook, Carlson6.
I'll put the links down below in the description.
Hopefully that's it.
But yeah, anyway, JD's a car guy. He loves photography. So head over to his channel or head over to his pages and check out and see what he's about. So far, how does this car compare to any of your other vehicles? What's your favorite car you've owned?
This is probably my favorite. The only one I want more than this is the Z06 for sure. Almost the same setup as the GTO I had, but GTO had way more problems. I didn't have a big giant slick in the back. The interior is not as nice as the SS at all. If I could have thrown this supercharger on the SS, I think I would have been happy as hell, but I didn't. It is what it is. But no, it's not too bad. Like I said, I'd rather have the black still and probably a sedan. So if you have a black sedan, trade me. I'll trade you.
You trade, let them know. Follow the links, let them know.
But not too bad so far.
Smooth.
It's not too bad. It's got magnetic ride and stuff. So like
it's got what?
So touring it, like body rolls a shit ton, right?
Okay.
And then you hit it, put it in sport. Now it's like way more active.
Tighter. Okay.
Probably the shittiest thing about this car, it's 2013 and it's Cadillac. And it doesn't even have Bluetooth. It's the stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, that's kind of weird. There's those cutouts opened up. Yes. What did you say this put down on a dyno?
I made 615 wheel.
Not too shabby.
On 8 pounds of boost.
On 91?
Yeah, so 615 wheel, 8 pounds of boost, 91 octane. So 13 pounds of boost, makes me 85. Hopefully it's around 700.
What's the plan? What's your plan? E85? E85 and a pulley or what?
Pulleys, but I need to get the temperature figured out. I just lost to a Mustang yesterday, so that's fucking sad. But I just, at the line it gets really hot. If I'm moving, it's okay. But I need like a Z01 lid. I need a bigger coolant reservoir. I need to like flow coolant through the lid a lot more. Maybe like a 50 shot of nitrous, because it'll cool all the temps down a lot if you shoot some nitrous at it. So maybe it's a 50 shot just to cool everything down. Maybe an inner chiller. It's where your AC will actually cool down your supercharger. Helps your temps go way down. Something to cool it down. That's probably the main thing. it's cooling it down. But yeah, we'll do a first gear. See what it does.
That was solid. I've never been put back in my seat like that, I don't think. No, I have. I haven't been put back.
You've had some fast cars.
I haven't been put back that fast in a long time. Well, when I rode in Schofield's car, Jeff Schofield, his Mustang. Oh shit, dude, that would throw you back.
I bet.
1,200 horse. But I haven't been thrown back like that in a minute. My truck is nothing like that. I mean, I've got all the torque in the world.
I think the first time I ever really been in a fast car was actually your pro-charged Mustang you had.
Oh yeah.
What was that, like 16 years old? 17?
Yep, that was crazy. Hold on. Yeah, so JD and I both grew up, you know, just flipping cars. We got bored. What would you say? We were just always looking for something better.
Yeah,
something new.
My biggest thing is a lot of people have one car for so long, and they say they love their car, but you never know what you like unless you've had it. So you can't have one car and say that's the best car if you never had them.
Right.
You buy them, have your fun, move on to the next one. You can now you can compare and see if you actually like that one better or not. There's always bigger and better things to go, but you never know what's better until you get to one step, and then you can look on to something better.
True. And then not to mention just to be able to look back and say that you had them on. Like,
yeah,
I mean,
that's a big part of it. Having a picture saying this was I had this one. I've had it.
This is before. This is after.
Yeah, and you can talk about them knowing you've had them and you've had experiences, not just you think you know. You actually do know. I mean, I'm still an LS person for sure. LS no less, but so most of them are LS, but Jeeps are cool. I like the new 5.0s, they ain't bad. I will do another first gear right here.
Okay, first gear. Here we go. Good old $120. This thing moves, man. That's right. Overall, what do you think of the car?
It's still a boat, but that's not bad. I think with 13 pounds of boost, I'd be a lot happier. It runs a shit ton better now than when I got it. So it's running good now. It's hooks all the time. It don't really have no problems, traction issues. Trans is shifting good. It still runs a lot. Really hot, especially in this heat right now. It's killing it. But
how hot are we, do you think? 90, 92 degrees, somewhere like
92
that?
degrees right now. 4,500 feet in there. Not good for horsepower. And then if I'm like sitting there, IETs get to like 140, and that literally just kills horsepower. Like I'm moving right now and it's still at 100 degrees, which not the best.
Where should we be at? What should we be looking at?
IET wise, I think 70, 80 would be perfect right now. Like if it's morning or night, it'll sit at about 70, and then it feels so much better at night or in the morning. But 13 pounds of boost, get this thing cooled down a bit, and it would be a lot better.
I approve. Alright, so for you guys to experience how loud this car sounds and all the cutouts and, you know, all the technicals of the exhaust and the supercharger and everything, I'm going to hop out of the car. JD's going to drop me off and he's going to do a flyby and take off real fast for you. We're going to do one with the cutouts closed and one with them open. Let us know what you guys think in the comments down below. Alright, here we go. So here's a slow takeoff. Absolutely deafening loud. I love it. Woo! Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Let me in. Woo! There it is. Dude, this car is deafening loud when those cutouts are open.
Yes. That's a little too loud.
Let her eat.
That's why I need the axle back, man.
Yep. Thing is cooking.
Literally and metaphorically.
Okay, well, I think that about wraps it up for today's vlog, guys. Again, welcome JD to the channel. Check out his links down below in the description. And we're going to be seeing more of this car on the channel hopefully soon, because we get together, we film a lot, we practice photography, videography, you know, and we're just good buddies. We grew up together. We love giving each other crap for our rides. So thanks for tuning in today. That signs us out. Peace.